cannot check for me when I have these on. Like, blocking the hate. This was supposed to be a two-piece, like, jogger outfit. Like, let me run it back because OMG. Hey girl, hey. So I'm back with another video. I know I'm always at this angle. I have another self-care vlog. So in this vlog, I'm gonna take y'all with me to my nail appointment. It is currently 5:30 in the morning. I had to book an early appointment. So yeah, I'm gonna take y'all with me. And yeah, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, click that bell to be notified every time I upload, like and share this video. Check out some of my other videos if you have not already. I just made it here. I'm like 15 minutes early. My appointment is at 6 a.m. I'm gonna wait till at least 5:55 to hit her up and let her know that I'm outside. I love like dressing up. Like if I could do that for a living, lit, my life would be lit. Somebody take me from this working life, please. Wake and bake. I love Drake. All weapons formed against me got a jam. We'll fly high. Come with me. And we'll be in a world that's pure imagination. We'll fly high. I'm fresh off of work. Hopefully y'all can't hear the background because the TV is on. I did get my nails done, so this is how it looks. I absolutely love them so much. Like, they are so me, so different. So it's in your face, girl. Like, you're going to see my nails. They are everything that I expected them to be. Check out her Instagram. I'll leave a link down below. This is a self-care vlog. I do have some Amazon packages. Why not unpack them on camera? And I literally had scissors here with it. Here they go. So me and my mom was in Family Dollar and we saw these black inspired, I guess you can call them Afrocentric wall art. So yeah, we saw some picture art and some black picture art, and I thought it would look so cute for my winter season, for the fall, and I just had to show y'all. Like, I just had to show y'all. Look how pretty that is. Amazon coming clutch. Okay, so y'all know I'm in the gym, so I'm not sure which video is going to be out. I am going to be posting a gym vlog coming soon, so I don't know which one is going to go up first, but I ordered me some over the head beats, and this is the silver color. Oh my gosh, these are so cool. Like, my AirPods was just not working out. Like, my AirPods was just, they're not practical for me when it comes to the gym. So I needed some over the head headphones, and Amazon came through for me, period. This is an investment, definitely a good investment. So self-care. Buy what you want, girl. So I don't know what this is because I have like a couple of packages coming from Amazon. Okay, so the first thing, I don't know what this is. Oh, cute. Hopefully, because this is not what I thought I ordered. Like, what? This is not what I thought I ordered. Like, not to say that it might not be cute, because I'm not going to judge it, but definitely not what I thought I ordered. This was supposed to be a two-piece, like, jogger outfit. Like, let me run it back, because okay, not what I expected, but whatever. Okay, this is what I was excited for. Like, I was excited for my beats, and I was excited for this piece right here. If you know, you know. So I like how they packaged it. I guess you, I'm not even about to struggle. We're just gonna look for the scissors. That's it. Cause child, long nails, like, they only look cute, but realistically, OMG, I needed this skirt. I wanted this skirt so bad. So stay tuned. Stay tuned for the fashion haul that I'm gonna be bringing to you guys. It should be up before Thanksgiving. It's definitely going to be up before Thanksgiving. It's the skirt for me. Metallic, silver, in your face, like bling bling. Is the money, honey. I cannot wait to try this on. Am I going to try it on tonight? No. But I gave y'all a sneak peek, so say thank you for that. Since we already did the Amazon unboxing, I thought I should just do a quick unboxing of the new glasses that I got. Zilu, I absolutely love them so much. I do wear prescription glasses. And I rather have prescription glasses versus contacts because I do wear longer nails. I want my glasses to be my statement pieces, especially if I'm going to be wearing them. I'm going to just run through these really quickly. So I do have 4 pair that I'm going to show you real quick. Actually planning on doing a separate video. So this is the first pair right here. I'm not going to put them on. I'm just going to hold them up. I put them on already. When I tell you, these are so pretty. Statements. We're making statements over here. Nothing but statements. I did just get me some plain black ones. I absolutely love these frames. So every pair that I'm going to show you is the same style. My prescription literally costs $5 on Zillow. That's how I pronounce it. It literally costs $5 on there, and I absolutely love them. This is the matte black. I would try these on because I've been wearing them. Let me get a picture. Let me get a thumbnail. I need a thumbnail. Purry. This style is the Malcolm. If I didn't mention earlier, y'all gonna see these a lot. I put my prescription in some sunglasses, and I am here for it. And it comes with this plastic. Honey, cause who's checking for me? Who's checking for me? Not them. Not them. You cannot check for me when I have these on. Like, blocking the hates. Blocking the hate. I can see the hate coming a mile away now. I can see the hate coming a mile away, so I can block it. I love these so much. Like, it's the aesthetics for me. And it's the fact that I can see now, like, driving with the sun beaming in my face now. I got you. Zillow got you. I'm so extra. So these are not transitional glasses. These are actually sunglasses, but they have prescription in them. Because I had to get it in black. Because it's always the matte black for me. Come through with the come through. All right. All right. Step in the club. You gonna run a bag up with these. And these are for my money honeys. All right, these shades are for the money honeys. So if you're not about your money, I wouldn't suggest getting these glasses. If you're about your money, these shades for you. I absolutely love every pair that I purchased. Like, this is my favorite style. They got me together. So I am back in the house. I just came from the gym and we did a little bit of shopping. I guess you can call this a resale place of items that people don't want anymore, which is pretty much in still good condition, but they resell it for 60% off of the lowest price that you can find online. A mini ring light. You can never go wrong with a ring light. It was only $10, so this was a steal. The mini light looks super cute. Oh, the background is the aesthetic for me. The next item is this 4-in-1 hairbrush dryer. This is how the items are packaged. It comes with a dust bag, a heat and glove, and of course your 4 heads that you can change. And this was $15. Really good gift if you wanted to, but I'm gonna actually keep this one for myself. So this is a professional gel nail polish UV lamp kit. It comes with a big UV lamp as well as 6 or 7 polishes. So yeah, 7 polishes, 2 top coats, 1 base coat, and 1 nail lamp. It's a 23-piece set and super cute. This was $10, so also a good gift, but I'm gonna use this for when I do my toes. Got me some pepper spray for $4. Yeah, it's real cold out in these streets and the pepper spray is gonna get them correct. If you want to make me a basket for Christmas, please add something realistic that I can use. I also got this duvet and this was $5. This is a size king. This is how the duvet looks, super soft. This is the gray color and I also have it in white. And like I said, it was $5. Super cute. I love this. It looks very like elegant and classy. I also got some cotton pads because these were $1 and they are a pack of 50. So, and this one is a pack of 100. So this was a steal for $1. Even Dollar Tree is $1.25 now. So that was a steal. 2 packs of blackout curtains. I love blackout curtains and it's in the color black and they were $5 each, so it comes 2 in a pack. I lucked up with some corsets, like some the strings are everywhere. So this is the black one, and tell me why the corsets were $3. Like, all the clothes were $3. So I got it in black. I have it in this beautiful royal blue color. I don't even know what's the top of the bottom, but I'm gonna figure it out. And the royal blue is in a 3X. So like I said, they were $3 and they were in this big bin, so I had to get the sizes that I could find. And last but not least, girl, it's the green for me. It is definitely the green. The green is the smallest size and it is a size large, but it does come with these strings so you can adjust it. So I love the trimming, like it's the gold trim for me. This one looks very elegant. Love this for me. And I got some oversized jeans and I got them in a size 18. I really wanted some oversized jeans, so I got those. Those are boot cut black jeans. These are like bell bottom sweatpants, gray, just to throw on and go. Got them in a size large. The last clothing item I got were these gray shorts and I have them in a size large. Super soft. These are really comfortable. So if you made it this far in the video, you a real one. Click that bell to be notified every time I upload. Like and share this video. Check out some of my other videos if you have not already, and I'll talk to you guys later in my next video. Bye.